What's up, everybody? Just got dropped off at 311 thanks to Wolf and Gypsy. Really appreciate it, y'all, and yeah, y'all be safe going back. It is pouring down rain. I'm up under a tree right now, but yeah, I'm gonna get up here in the woods a little bit, fix my umbrella, and yeah, get back with y'all here in just a little bit. Rain, rain, rain. Trails the river today, but I'm only going like 2 miles. Just going to Catawba Mountain Shelter. Alright, right there is where I started at. Now I'm there. There's John Spring Shelter, and up here at Catawba Shelter is where I'm going. And then in the morning, do that up there to McAfee. What's up, everybody? So I'm here at Catawba Mountain Shelter. Yeah, I'm just gonna stay here. I was gonna stay in the tent because y'all know I don't like staying in shelters. Where it's been raining all day long, every single spot I found that was relatively close to where I could get the tent set up right, there's puddles of water in them everywhere. I'm going to string a line up here and try like heck to get my pants dry. Coming up through there, I slipped on a rock, completely busted my butt, and broke the tip off my trekking pole. So yeah, it's about 5-6 inches shorter now. But I don't know, I ain't really got the money to, but I gotta have 2 poles to be able to hike like I need to. So I guess when I get to Delville, I'm gonna have to break down and buy a new pole or a new set of poles or something. Just sucks though, but that's part of it. What's up, everybody? So go ahead and end it for today. Left 311 at the McAfee Knob trailhead. Where now I'm at Catawba Mountain Shelter. Been raining all day and so on. But where I didn't end the video, the last video, I want to give a huge thanks to Gary Collins. He's been following me forever and been a long time Mr. Support Team member. He picked me up, well, come met me on the trail, and then when we got to 311, he took me back to my house in Draper, and yeah, really appreciate it. I had a prosthetic appointment. As y'all remember, my prosthetic on my left foot broke when I was in the Smokies. Well, I finally got an appointment. They're not fixed completely, like I still have no prosthetic in this. But what they did do is give me some more padding inside them because it was wore out, and that's why I was having so much trouble in the last videos y'all seen. When he took them out, I had like paper thin at the end of my feet, and that's why they was getting really sore. But yeah, and then this morning I want to give another huge shout out to David, Lone Wolf. Y'all already know how he's like one of the biggest Mr. Support Team members out there. But yeah, Gypsy had a appointment over her ankle, and I really hope that gets better for you soon and you can get back out there hiking. But that was in Whitfield, not far from my house. So when they got done, Wolf come to pick me up and brought me all the way down here. Yeah, I really appreciate it, brother. And also, I want to give some huge thanks to, I don't have it wrote down so I can't remember, but everybody, you know who you are, that's donated through PayPal. I really appreciate it. And that, like, people being so kind and helping me out, and all the kind words, comments, and just everybody following along is what gets me down the trail. It really means a lot to me, and I really, truly, from the heart, appreciate it. But yeah, I did right at 2 miles today, which don't care. It's going to take me 3 days to get to 2.5 days to get to Daleville anyways because of how you have to camp. But yeah, I hope you all have had a great day and have an even better night. And I'll talk to y'all probably around 3:30 or 4 in the morning, because I'm getting up, going to 1.7 to McAfee Knob, and we're going to get a sunrise up there. Rain's supposed to move out about 1 o'clock in the morning, so as long as it ain't pouring down rain at 3 or 4, we're leaving and going up there. Talk to y'all in the morning.